Hello my YouTube friend, this is now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2010 Nissan Sentra, and what I'm doing is I am removing the engine air filter, and I found something unique here. This has a screw right in here. In yours you're gonna have two clips, one clip here and another clip here, and all you have to do with your clip is just turn it this way, or the other way. But this one right here, it only has, they put a nice unique screw right in there. Goes the screw. So I'm gonna just take it out of here, the screw, and yours just take out the brackets. They put a nice long screw in there to hold it on. So once you remove your clips, all you have to do is just push this back, right? And then all you have to do is just bring it up like this, easy. See that? You bring it up, push this a little back. And all you have to do is, and there it goes. So you want to install it the same way you took it out. So it's going to go in just like this. So here we go. We're going to put it in there. Make sure it's nice and flush. You want to look in there, make sure it's not dirty. It looks clean. So all you're going to do is now just slide it in. And these two things is going to go right in. So take it, slide it in, push it all the way down. Now you're going to have your clips. All you have to do with your clips is just pop, pop, and you finish. But me, I have to install this screw back right in there where it came out from. Just make sure it's nice and tight, and there it goes. Make sure there's no gaps, and that's it. You have replaced your engine filter on your 2010 Nissan Sentra. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.